What's good, guys? It's your boy, Lil Roy. I sound funny, so hold up. It's your boy, Lil Roy, and we back on another video. Let's clap it up. Finally, back-to-back videos. It will not be a sneaker release, sneaker talk, anything sneaker. So you see the title? I was waiting for the second package to come in because I had the first one a couple days ago. I was like, I don't want to do two separate videos because they're the same exact brand, same exact all that stuff, just two different colorways. Obviously you see I'm eating a donut. Shout out to Krispy Kreme with the deal today. Got a whole dozen for $7. Either way, you see the title, so you see we about to go over YEEZY, Gap, COLLAB, hoodies, and all that good stuff. Either way, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 500 subs, as well as comments. I respond to all my comments, as well as like the video, share the channel. Let's get more people join the squad. Ladies, hit that Instagram DM. Everyone else, check out the main channel. Those two links will be down below. So no further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so off rip, I got this a couple days ago, and the second one came in today, so I could literally call it unboxing. You see this box? This is literally where the other one is, and the other one I had on the side. So yes, my address not showing. Unboxing, so I don't be lying. I guess this one's easier to show because it's right here, but it kind of seems like it's in, my bad, I don't mean to curse, but because of like this grocery bag that you gotta rip open, like it's folded. That's how they have the Gap YEEZY collab. This is the blue colorway right here. The tag simply just comes with the sizing. You can see right there, but hold on, give me a second. I don't want to rip the tag. But inside the Gap logo, I'm guessing, because I don't remember having Gap clothes. I don't really know how the logos look these days. But instead of the Gap, it says YEEZY right there. Y-Z-Y. YEEZY right there. What I will say is, they cost, well, how much they cost? Like $85 with shipping and all that. Either way, I would say, you know, if everyone likes Supreme, Supreme stuff is a lot more expensive. One thing I could say, or Ripper just having this one, the other one, is that they're heavy as shit, like heavy. So they might be good. That's why you see Kanye run around wherever he is with just a freaking this hoodie and a jacket, because these things are heavy. So I'm pretty sure it's not that trash quality that Gap probably would have in a stylish hoodie, you know. But this is definitely, it's not that fur inside. I mean, like, you know, the thing that shreds. This is actually hoodie material. Too bad I didn't get a red one because I probably would have kept it for the personal. But one thing I could say, like I said, it's heavy as hell. This is an XL, and the other hoodies are XL too. But I don't really know if they're true to size. They look bigger than what it is. Maybe you could have went true to size, depending on how you like your hoodies fitting on your body type. For me, this XL looks huge, so I wouldn't even try to play myself on wearing it. Maybe I would have went a large, a size up, because I'm normally a medium. Like this hoodie right here is a medium, and it fits perfect. You get what I'm saying? So I probably would have went a large if they do fit a little funny. I should try one on, but not on video, because like that's too much, and I'm not going to film that. I'm probably going to try it on just to see if I want a future one. I could at least know the sizing for myself, and then just take it off. But these are for sale. They're not going for too much on resale, just because it's a color hoodie, and just because of Kanye hype. Yeah, it's going for a little money. But it's the XL. If you want it, hit me up. I'm selling this, and I'm also selling the other colorway, which is a black one, which I'm about to get to show you guys right now. So that blue one is there. The black one is the one that just came in the mail today. Same thing, XL. Got the YEEZY logo inside. And because it's Gap, you know, it's not going to change the color of the logo. It's going to be blue too. So yeah, this is black, safer route in case you didn't want colors. You know, can never go wrong with black. But this is definitely a workout. Like I said, these hoodies is heavy as hell. Like, I don't know why. Hell, brolic that sounds. But that's how the black hoodie looks. So I wish they would give a little more detail on the back. Like, why couldn't it just say YEEZY in the Gap logo than just a plain black hoodie? Definitely smells good. Let me smell inside. Either way, like I said, this is an XL as well, and it's also for sale. So if you want it and you're seeing this, hit me up. I will sell it to you. make sure your payment ready. I don't need my time being wasted. But that's how that looks. Just in case the box has been blocking. But that's how it looks. Yeezy, Gap, collab, clothing, hoodie. And of course it's blended in because it's black, but got the pocket right here. But yes, these hoodies are heavy. These hoodies are heavy. And that's it. So I finally got both colorways in stock, and they're for sale. So let me know if you want them. Just want to show you guys how they look. Definitely, I will say go a size up because this is an X center. Looks too huge. But yeah, that's it. That's all I want to show. A little quick review on the Yeezy Gap collab, black hoodie and blue hoodie. And they didn't take that long to ship, probably like 2 weeks, whatever. By the time things pass, next thing you know, it'll be at your door. So if you ever catch a restock online, then cop it. If not, you can hit me up for these two sizes, the blue one, black one, XL, both sizes. I believe you could go to the size, but if you want a little fitting, just in case when you wash it, it slims down, you could definitely go a size up. These are not personal, just in case somebody skipped through the video. These are not personals. These are all for sale. So that's it for me, guys. I didn't do a quick thumbnail, but I'll get a thumbnail throughout the video, whatever. I'll probably add a picture like I used to do. But either way, that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. We've been consistent, so go check out all the videos that you haven't seen that I uploaded so far. Yeah, we'll get back to that. I got a whole mess over here, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, comment, hit that Instagram, hit that link down below as well from the main channel. Those two links will be down below in the description. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. Peace.